Hello, everyone. My name is Annie Kaplan. I am the Adult Services Librarian at Sayre Public Library. And in this session, we will be going over how to get started with the Libby app by Overdrive. So Libby is a new and easy way to borrow ebooks, audiobooks, magazines, and more from our library. So in today's session, I will introduce you to Libby and show a video demonstration on how you can sign in, browse, and borrow titles. We'll then highlight a few ways that you can customize the experience, which can promote the benefits of digital reading. And you'll also learn where to find Libby help resources so that you can feel confident after today's session. So Libby is the library reading app by Overdrive. And it really takes just a few taps to find, borrow, and enjoy a title. So through the Libby app, you can explore ebooks, audiobooks, and more from our public library. Getting started is really pretty simple and easy. You just need an internet connection, a library card, a compatible smartphone, tablet, or computer. Libby is free to install on iOS and Android. And you can also visit it in the browser at libbyapp.com. Okay, so now I am going to show you how easy it is to borrow and enjoy titles with Libby, the library reading app.
Meet Libby, the library reading app. With Libby, you can borrow free ebooks, digital audiobooks, and magazines from your library. All you need is a library card. When you open Libby for the first time, you'll search for your library. Then you can explore the collection and borrow titles or place holds instantly. On your shelf, you'll find all your loans, holds, and tags. By default, loans are automatically downloaded for offline use when you're on Wi-Fi. Your loans are returned automatically on their due dates, so you never need to worry about late fees. Tap Manage Loan to see more options about each title, like returning early. Tap a title to open it and start reading. If you belong to a library in the United States, you'll see the option to send most ebooks to Kindle or to start reading in Libby. Use the footer to search, visit your library, access your shelf, and see your timeline. You can also open your current read. In the Libby menu, you can see your notifications, add a library, get help, and more. Download Libby to start borrowing today. Happy reading!
Okay. So you can also send books from the Libby app directly to your Kindle. This is at the moment only available for US library patrons, but you can update your browsing preferences to make sure that your digital books are Kindle compatible. And then after you borrow a book through Libby, you will then select Kindle as your reading option, at which point you'll be directed to Amazon's website. So from there, you'll be prompted to log into Amazon and deliver your book to your Kindle. It will be available the next time your Kindle connects to Wi-Fi. And you can have Libby remember your preferred way to read for all of your titles. So next time you borrow a book, Libby will say read with Kindle if you set this as your preference. So just to recap, Here is how you can get started with Libby in less than 5 minutes. So first, install the Libby app from the App Store on your Android, smartphone, iOS, or Windows 10 device. Second, follow the prompts to find your library. In this case, ours would be Sayre Public Library. And then you can sign in with your valid library card. You'll just type in your card number and as well as your password, which if you have not set your own customized password, that will be your cell phone number. And then third, you can go ahead and use the Libby app to browse our library's collection, and from there, borrow a title. So there are many ways to customize Libby to cater to your needs. So what you will do to go about this is you will tap on the Libby icon, and that is usually at the bottom of your device, whatever screen you are using. That is this face right here. You will tap on that, and then you will go to settings. At which point you will be able to set browsing preferences, adjust reading and listening settings. You can change the language. There are 10 languages which you can read from. You can also manage notifications from there and set up your Kindle reading. You can also add additional library cards so that you can borrow books from multiple libraries. And then there is also a setting where if you go into a title, you can tag titles. So by doing that, you can save them, you can add them to your wish lists or just different reading lists that you can edit and set up. And that is all through clicking on that Libby icon that you can access all of that. And if you find that you have any questions or need any help, you can find help by tapping the Libby icon in the top right corner of the app and tap on Get Some Help. So from there, you can search for a question, you can browse the help site, or view common solutions. The Libby help site provides answers to many frequently asked questions. And if you can't find the help you need there, you can always contact customer support. So the next step is to just give Libby a try for yourself. So if you haven't already downloaded the app, you can go ahead, do that, find your library, and then enter your library account details. And if you need help with that, feel free to stop in the library and ask one of us. All right, well, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy using Libby.